Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can record cash sales in QuickBooks. So let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Sales or Invoicing tab. Click on the New button to create a new sales receipt or invoice. Next, select the customer or client for whom you are recording the cash sale. Add the products or services by selecting them from your item list. Enter the quantity, unit price, and any discounts or taxes. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total for you. In the payment section, choose cash as the payment method and enter the amount received. If the customer paid in full, the balance due will show as 0. If it was a partial payment, enter the remaining balance in the appropriate field. Once you've filled out the details, review the sales receipt or invoice to make sure everything is accurate. If all looks good, click Save and send it to the customer, or simply save to record it in QuickBooks. This process ensures you can accurately track your revenue and keep your financial records up to date. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.